gonna have some water? Show me. Show me. What? You know how to drink out of a cup? I'm so proud of you. Show me again. Oh, yay, Riley. You're so good. You're so proud of yourself. Again. You show me again. Yeah. You're pretending. There you go. Oh. You okay? Oh, you found some cantaloupe to get in there. Good work. Oh, well, now we play. Oh, well, there we go. Good job, Riley. Can you drink? Show me how you drink. Yeah. Yeah, good. Drink. A cup. You say cup? Do you need more? You need more water? Yeah. Okay. Here you go. Let me see. There you go. Oh, you're so refreshed. Yay, Riley. Good work, sweetie. Oh, no, your hands don't go in there. Nope, just drinking. No. No, just drinking. Yeah, you trickster. No. 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 But to drink it. You show me how you drink it. Oh!